Hi there. Today, we will explore the details of the Virto Commerce Pricing Module, uncover pricing strategies and management tools for your business. Virto Commerce offers a highly flexible and robust B2B pricing engine that solves the challenges faced by B2B companies. Tiered and contract pricing can be easily implemented or synchronized with any currency. Each price list contains product and linked prices. It is possible to assign different prices to varying quantities of products. For instance, when purchasing 100 or more items, the customer pays a lower price per item. This pricing structure is referred to as tiered pricing. To make prices applicable, we have a special mechanism called price list assignment. The price list assignment defines which prices from the price list will be offered to customers in a specific store. You can assign it to the store in general, assign it to a specific group of your customers, or assign it individually to the organization or a physical entity using the user group functionality. Any level of personalization is possible. Each assignment has a priority. This means that only few price lists can be assigned to one company. For example, some prices are defined by the contract and some are just general prices. The system will resolve it correctly according to priorities. It's important to note that Virto fully supports external price management. If you already have pricing rules in place, such as in your ERP system, you can seamlessly integrate with Virto and send price list changes, eliminating the need to migrate all your business logic to Virto. Thank you for watching. If you still have questions and want to learn more about Virto extensible modules, feel free to contact us to request a personal demo.